Are you ready to learn a stupid simple way to start making profit online fast? Seriously, Marcus, who wouldn't? Well, we're going to get to that in just a minute, but for right now, I got a very important question. And that question is what is the number one thing marketers are paid for online? The one thing that if you knew, you would be able to make money at the drop of a pen. All right, let's see if you got it right. The question was, what is the number one thing that's going to make you money? And that is KNOW, knowledge. It's actually the word know. The most money you're ever going to make is by knowing what a group of people wants, needs, or desires. This is extremely important because when you go out there and you talk about marketing, it's always about a group of people. And this group of people is categorized by certain interests, certain ideas, certain things that they have in common. This is like a stereotyped group of people. And your job as a marketer or an affiliate marketer is to find out what this group of people wants, needs, and desires. If you could be the marketer here and find out what this group of people wants to buy or what they need or what outcome they want, then you can make money at the drop of a hat. Yeah, I'm talking like right now today. Imagine if you knew what most people on a certain website wanted. Well, then you'd be able to go buy an ad, drive them to your offer, and make tons of money. And that's what this is all about. And I'm going to show you a super simple way to do just that. And we're starting right now. All right, so today I'm going to show you the two ways that are very easy to make money. Now, this involves affiliate marketing and marketing of your own products and services. Now, you could do just affiliate, or you could do your own, or you could do both. I would say as a beginner, affiliate marketing is going to be the best way to do this. Now, there's two things you're going to need. Number one, you're going to need web hosting. You can learn about that at gohubsite.com. I teach you how to get web hosting, set up your first blog, and you'll be rocking and rolling. It's actually very easy to do. You can do it in about 15 minutes. The second thing you're going to need is some kind of tracking software that's going to show what people click on your page. Now, we provide some of these tools, actually both the tools you're going to see here, we provide in the Marcus Mentor Me program over at marcusmentor.me. However, you could do this with other things as well. You could do this with different analytics softwares. You could do this by having unique links and stuff like that. It just gets a little bit more tricky, which is why I made my tools. So let's show you how this is going to work. First and foremost, you want to find a group of people somewhere on the internet. This could be people looking at a website, people in a Facebook group. This could be people searching for stuff on Google, all that kind of stuff. You want to get that group of people. Okay, it could be people on forums searching for different topics. Whatever it is, you want to find that group of people and you want to run them to a website. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to set up a simple little website. This website's going to take, again, probably like an hour at the most to set up, usually like 15 minutes if you can get it done fast. All right, what you're going to do is you are going to set up an ad to reach these people. Okay, this ad can be like a banner ad. It could be a search engine ad if you're doing search engines. If you're doing social media stuff, you could do free posting, anything to get people over to your website. Now, when people come to your website, which is going to be a blog because we're using WordPress to make this happen, which doesn't mean that we have to blog every day. It just means we're using the WordPress platform for convenience. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to send the people from our ad to our website like this. Now, it's very important. Again, remember how I told you the number one thing that's going to make you money as a marketer is knowing what a group of people want? That's exactly what we're doing here. Okay, so we're going to take these people and we're going to offer them something. We'll say, come over to our website to get a free guide or a free tool or a video or something like that, or maybe tips on how to lose weight or whatever it is. Okay, you're going to take those people, you're going to send them to your site. Then when they come to your website, you're going to have your site. It's going to have a headline, all right? And the headline will be based on the ad. So if the ad says how to lose weight fast or something like that, then your title of your website should be how to lose weight fast. Okay? Very simple. So we're going to go through, and that'll be the title of our site. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to ask our market a question that is going to get them to click and also give feedback to us. This is very, very important. So if I want to get people to click, instead of having like 1 out of every 10 people click, I could actually have a lot more people click by offering them a question, okay? So we would say how to lose weight fast. Then my question would be something like, how much weight do you want to lose? Obviously, we're going to make that fit on our site. I think there's a way to do it here. Let's see, format, decrease font size. I think I could keep doing this. Might take too long, though. All right, so we're just going to pretend that fits. Or actually, you know what? We'll just make it that bigger. There we go. All right, so there we go. We got that. How to lose weight fast. How much weight do you want to lose? Now, under the question, what we're going to do is we're going to have various options for them. Okay, we could have different options with different pictures or something like that. Maybe you're going to have an option where there's like a skinny dude and you're like, you put down here under the skinny dude, you put 10 pounds or less than 10 pounds or something like that, right? Less than 10 pounds. Okay, and then maybe you're going to get a picture of a heavier person. And you're like, okay, well, let's do this one. And this is like, maybe we'll do 30 to 50 pounds, okay? Right, like this, pounds. There we go. And then maybe you have another one, and it's got a really heavy person. I don't know if I have a heavy person on here. Maybe I do. Somewhere. We'll use the mouse. We got a heavy mouse, right? He needs to stop eating cheese or something like that. Something wrong with that mouse there. All right, so we're going to have the mouse, and then the mouse picture, whatever, would say something like 100 plus pounds. Okay? And we're going to have these options, which is really cool. Now, here's where the magic comes in, right? The magic comes in because when you drive people to your site, you're actually going to get data on how much weight the majority of the people lose or want to lose, right? So if I have this and I'm like, oh, most people want to lose 30 to 50 pounds, then I know that information. Again, I'm learning what my market wants. And the cool thing is you could actually learn while you make money. So what I want to do is I want to take this image and I want to link this image to an affiliate program that specifically focuses on losing 10 pounds, right? So I'd go over to ClickBank or whatever and I'd find some kind of like lose 10 pounds offer, something like that, okay? Then I'd go and I'd do the same thing. Maybe I'd go to Offer Vault and find like some kind of diet that loses 30 to 50 pounds, okay? So what this is going to do, which is really cool, is one, it's going to get everyone on your site to click. You're going to get a lot of people to click on the images instead of just being like dead traffic visitors that go nowhere. Two, you're going to get the data of what they're interested in so that you can further position yourself in the marketplace and learn about them. And then three, you're actually going to be able to send them to custom affiliate programs or custom pages based on their option, which is going to get you a higher conversion rate, which is good because that means you make more money, right? So really, really cool. This is something that you can set up very fast with a one-page type deal, which is really great. I mean, it's super easy. Now, let me show you how to do this with our plugin, and then I'm going to talk to you about way number 2 to do this, okay? And the different methods are going to depend on what your traffic's like, whatever fits the model of your traffic, okay? So what you would want to do if you're using our plugin, which is called the Voodoo Insights, okay? You can see it's like this. It makes these little boxes just like I was showing you here. Okay, so those little boxes will pop up. Now, the cool thing about our plugin is it's very easy to make these boxes. So if I go to the dashboard of my WordPress, okay, and I go into Voodoo Insights, which is this plugin, okay, you can see I have one little ad here. I'm just going to make a new one. So if I make the new one, oh, not a group. So I'll go into Voodoo Insights here, and then I can go into our ads here, and I'm going to click Manage Ads, okay? And you can see we have the spaghetti one right here, and you can see it shows how many clicks and everything like that, okay? So if I want to make a new one, I just go in here, and I'm like steak recipes, okay? And again, I could send them to a custom page about steak recipes. This is where I would put either my affiliate link or my link to a different page. If you're doing this for sales, this is insane. You can increase your sale rate, your conversion rate like crazy very fast. Okay, then you just upload your image. So I'm going to find the image of steak, right? And here we have the steak here, and we'll put this in here, right, like that. Insert into post, and then submit. And you can see as we do this, it's going to add them. So now we have steak and we have spaghetti. Then I could go in and I can add chicken. Now, I usually do this depending on the market. I'll either do 3, 6, or 9 different options for them. Okay, you don't want to have too many. Like if you're doing a tattoo website, I did this on my tattoo site. I had like butterfly tattoos. We went to the butterfly tattoo affiliate program. We had heart tattoos, went to the heart one, and this increased our click-through rate where no one else was able to make money with free tattoos. I was raking it in and cleaning house with it. Same kind of thing with fonts, same kind of thing with weight loss, mortgages, lottery stuff, everything. It works good, and you get the data. So you're going to make more money and get the data so you can make even more money, which is good. All right, so we just go in here. This one would be chicken recipes, right, like this. Put your affiliate link in here, or a link to a different page, depending on how you're doing it. And then we're going to go in and put our chicken recipes here. All right, insert into post, boom, submit. And now you can see we actually have the 3 different things. Now, this is cool because people will click and it will convert. So instead of people just coming in and being like, oh, well, I don't like this site, they're actually going to click further, which gets engagement, which is going to help you make a lot more money, which is really cool. And if you had 9 different images, they just show up down below. And you can see what this is doing is, one, it tracks your affiliate link. So it's actually going through a cloaker. And then what it's doing also is it's going to check and see how many impressions and what people click on, which is good, okay? And we have it to where you could change the order. So if I find out spaghetti doesn't work good, I'll put that on the bottom. If I find out one does good, I'll put that at the top. Now, you can see at a glance exactly how good your ads are doing with the impressions and clicks, and boom, you're off to the races. You'll be able to get this data. Really cool, really easy. Use this method. I know it sounds ridiculously simple, and it is, but it works like a charm if you do it right. When you ask your market questions, they will respond, and you will reap the benefits of the engagement that they give. Now, the second way that you can do this, you can see here on the home page, I have this, is with another plugin we have that creates a drop-down box. Now you can see the drop-down box here says find killer recipes, steak, chicken, all this. Okay, this is the one that I've used on the tattoo website. I used on the lottery website. I've used it on money-making websites, all kinds of stuff like how to make money or whatnot. How much do you want to make? How much do you want to lose? This works extremely well, and the plugin that we have actually tracks what they click on. Same concept, right? It's going to track what they click on, and then it's going to send them to the offer so that you can make money while you're learning about your market. And if you do this, you'll know what your market's into within like 200 or 300 clicks, which is really cool. And then once you dial it in and you know what your market wants, boom, you're going to make money. Very, very simple, very easy to do. Now, again, results not typical. I don't know if you'll make money. And so the name of the game here is testing your market, understanding what they want, giving it to them, and then refining, figuring out how to help them best. So I hope you like these little tips. It's very easy. This is something you can set up in like 45 minutes. Start testing it out. Start getting some results. Send people to the affiliate offers and learn about your market so you can grow and make even more. Again, remember, get that group of people, right? Get them refined. Send them to your site, ask them a question, get the data, make some money, revamp based on the data, grow, and profit, which is cool. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and click the bell for more videos, and make sure you hop over to marcusmentor.me. We got tons of plugins for you, tons of tools, all kinds of stuff ready for you, and we have a call every Tuesday to help you with your sites, which is crazy, right? It's really cool. We hop on, we go over your sites and everything, and it's all for less than the price of a cup of coffee a day. And it's all for less than like $2.50 a day, which is crazy. So get in there, marcusmentor.me. Check out the next video that's going to pop up around here somewhere. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.